Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our new session of history class. So, up to our 8th class, we have studied the history of India as three phases, that is, ancient history of India, medieval history of India, and the modern history of India. And this year, we have to study about the history of India after the history of India in the post-independence. As we know, what are the various sources of history? What does it mean? Source of history means anything that can provide information about history. That means source of history. Anything which can help us to understand the history of India. That is known as the source of history. There are various sources of history. It is written sources, material sources, oral sources, and audio-visual media. What are the various written sources? Written sources are newspapers, periodicals, diaries, references, correspondence, documents that is in archives, government gazettes, postage stamps, and various encyclopedias. These are all known as written sources. Let us check about the newspaper. What type of information we can get from in newspaper? Various information. As you are reading newspapers, I know that you are reading newspapers. What type of information we can see in newspaper? Let us go through newspaper. What type of information we can get from newspaper? Varies. And I know you read newspaper. In newspapers, what type of information you see? Various information that are related to national and international affairs, politics, arts, sports, literature, and social and cultural affairs. Colloquially, we can say that newspapers provides information that related to human life. Newspapers produce supplements through the end of the year. That is, we called as a yearbook. In that yearbook, we can get information or special events that happened throughout that year. Next, we are going to check about Press Trust of India. We call it as PTI. What is PTI? PTI is a news agency owned by all newspapers in our India. It provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers. It started now its online telecast. Next is postage stamps. The postage stamps don't reveal anything on their own, but a historian makes them speak. We can make them speak. There have been several changes in postage stamps since India became independent. Postage stamp reveals a lot to us about changing times due to the variety in the sizes of its shape. The postal department issues postage stamps on a wide variety of things like political issues, flowers, animals, birds, or about an event for the silver, golden, diamond, jubilee, and centenary. Let us check what are the various types of material sources. Material source includes coins, the places of worship, things in our daily use, royal seals, or various types of ornaments, museums, clothing, and modern architecture. These are together we call it as material sources. Next is oral sources. What are oral sources? As we know that these sources includes folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, and odes. Next is audio visual sources. Television, films, and internet together is called as audio visual media. Many domestic and foreign television channels also come under this category. We have to end this session with one more point, that is Film and Television Institute of India, FTII. The Government of India started the Film and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various news reads on important events like politics, social issues, arts, sports, and culture. This department also produced various documents on prominent social leaders, on people who have made major contribution for the country and about important locations in our India. Hope you understand this session. We will come back with one more sessions in the next class.